explain the eighth poem, The Pobble Who Has No Toes. The present poem, it is written by the famous poet Edward Lear. The poem, it was published in 1978. In the present poem, Edward Lear has used nonsensical lines and humorous illustration to create an amusing atmosphere for the readers. The poem, The Pobble Has No Toes, tells us a story about the pobble who loses his toes while swimming in the sea. Good morning, students. Let's understand the first stanza of the poem, The Pobble Who Has No Toes. The first line itself, the pobble who has no toes, it is a foreshadowing. Foreshadowing, it is a term. It means it gives the readers the clue that something is going to happen later in the story or a poem. Here, the first line, the pobble who has no toes, tells us that the pobble will lose his toes in future. The pobble who has no toes had once as many as we. The poet has said that the pobble who has no toes, it means the pobble who is going to lose his toes, he had toes like as many toes as we human beings have. When they said, someday you may lose them all, here they, when they say, here they stands for the people in general, the people who know the pobble. They say someday the pobble would lose the toes. He replied, fish fiddle dee dee. He replied, it means the pobble replied. Now fish fiddle dee dee, it is a nonsensical line or a humorous illustration used by the poet Edward Lear. The pobble said, the pobble replied, fish fiddle dee dee. It means the pobble, he did not take what the people say. The people say that someday the pobble may lose his all toes. So that was not taken seriously by the pobble. That is why pobble replied, fish fiddle dee dee. Fish fiddle dee dee, it is a nonsensical expression used by the poet. And his aunt Jobiska made him drink lavender water tinged with pink. The pobble who used to stay with his aunt Jobiska. So she made him drink a lavender water filled with pink. For she said, and after giving the pobble the drink, Aunt Jobiska said, the world in general knows there is nothing so good for a pobble's toes. Jobiska, she informed the pobble that the world in general, it means the people in general, know that there is nothing so good for a pobble's toes. It means the pobble, it is a creature that it is good without the toes. So this is the explanation of the first stanza. Thank you, students.